Okay, so there's a startup of my upstairs Bryant preferred air conditioner. Yeah, 3-ton from 2019. Very cold and sweaty. And I actually was listening to the startup and shutdown I did in July, and I think this one might actually have an LG scroll compressor. I'm not completely sure. But either way, it's been doing a great job. We had a little trouble with it at first, but it was just an install problem. There's a problem with one of the ducts, so. But since then, it's been fantastic. Keeps it ice cold upstairs, especially in mine and my brother's rooms. So, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do a little video on the upstairs unit. Next week I'll do one of the downstairs. So, yeah, I guess over and out.